sick and tired, my love. And drop back to my old lives, the fire's gone wild.
Hi guys, so this is 23rd July and tomorrow is my birthday, so I thought maybe I should vlog it. Even though I have no plans, absolutely no plans. This is going to be, I don't know, super fail kind of birthday, but yeah, but I'll vlog it because ये 2020 का बर्थडे है, मतलब साल 2020 का बर्थडे है. So yeah, this is going to be for my future records. I'll be seeing this and I'll be grateful for the future birthdays which are coming. Anyways, I had so much planned for this year 2020 because I'll be turning 20 tomorrow and but जो भी हो सब में तो पानी फेर गया because lockdown है. So I won't be stepping outside, neither did I for the 5 months except for 2 to 3 times. Anyway, so I won't be stepping outside, neither will I get to meet my friends. Nothing as such, so only me and my family. So I don't think ever for this 19 years of my life have I spent my birthday totally at home. Either I would have gone to school or college, or even if I was at home for Saturday Sunday, I would always go out at night with my family. और yeah, मतलब celebrate तो हर बार होता ही था, पर इस बार नहीं होगा. So I won't be vlogging today as such, but I'll be pampering myself now. I mean only nail polish, hair mask, face mask and वही सब जो मैं नॉर्मल बर्थडेज में भी करती हूँ. पर दिस बर्थडे देयर वोंट बी एनीवन और आई वोंट बी स्टेपिंग आउटसाइड, बट स्टिल करने में क्या प्रॉब्लम है. सो वील डू दैट. सो इट्स अबाउट 11:30 नाउ एंड आई हैव नॉट टेकन अ बाथ येट, बट आई विल बी अप्लाइंग द हेयर मास्क फॉर विच आई हैव डैम्प्ड माई हेयर अ बिट. So I've applied the mask and now I'm totally looking like a joker. But anyways, I'll do my nails. As you can see, it's raining outside and it's so gloomy. It's cloudy and everything. I just turned 20. Hi guys, so it's the next morning and it's my birthday. Hi guys, so it's my birthday today and I'm so excited. I don't know why I'm getting so excited because I absolutely have no plan, but still I think everyone gets excited in the birthday. And yesterday night so many of my friends and my family members wished me and it really makes my day and I feel so happy and so blessed to have them in my life, and thank you for wishing me. And so yeah, yesterday night I played PUBG with my friends and then I slept. Let's see what I do throughout the day and I'll take you guys with me. And yeah, disclaimer is that this is going to be a super normal birthday and it's not like the fancy one you see online on YouTube. So it's not going to be like that, but it's going to be real and this is how everyone, mostly every normal girl celebrates a birthday in lockdown. So normally in morning all of my relatives do their phone call and they wish me on Facebook, on WhatsApp. Let the car pass by. Yeah, so they normally wish me on my on Facebook or WhatsApp or even in phone call. So yeah, that's the thing. I reply to all of my Facebook messages, all of the wishes, and I'll be having my breakfast and I'll also show you guys that because this is a vlog and I'll show you guys everything which I do today. So I'll be having puri and ghugni. So I want to share a story which makes my birthday even more special. So I had this dog and he was very little when I rescued him. I basically rescued him. So he was stuck outside our boundary and that was previous year and I remember the date, it was 14th Feb. So anyways, so he was stuck outside a boundary and he was crying for about 1 to 2 days. So the next day what I did was I climbed up the ladder from our boundary. I inserted a rope to a bucket and I put that over the boundary and I gave him some biscuits and he climbed the bucket and I pulled him with the rope. So that's the thing, and his arms were totally bended. It was not broken, but I don't know, they were like this, so he couldn't move and anything. So basically he stayed with us for 5 to 6 months and he is totally like my baby because there was a connection. I don't know, because I saved him and everything and I totally love dogs and cats. And then I don't know what happened, he used to go outside and come back. But suddenly one day he went and he never came back. Our maid, she saw my dog in a nearby market. So I went with my father I searched that market. I asked every shopkeeper if they ever have seen a black dog. So every one of them told that no, they never seen any of this. So today he came back finally with my maid only. I was so happy that I finally got him. I don't know, I was really happy because I missed him so much, and I always had this thought that maybe he's not able to eat anything. What if he wants to come back? Maybe he's angry with me, something like that. And I was really so sad. And also he's very healthy. He's not even gone a little bit thin. He's very healthy, so he got to eat. I'm having mango custard right now, and I really like custard, so might as well have it now. Anyway, so I'm thinking I should make a eyeshadow tutorial on my Insta because I haven't created anything on Insta for so long. So maybe it's a nice occasion. Anyways, I don't have anything to do. So I just finished creating this look, and I think it turned out so well. I really like this look. I mean, I never ever experimented with a purple eyeshadow, so I bought that this eyeshadow Swiss Beauty, and it has some gorgeous shades. Especially it has shades of different colors. So I want to experiment with different colors. So I think I like this shade so much, and it looks so good. So now I'll click some pictures with this look because obviously I don't want to waste my makeup. So I have to click some really awesome pics. And also this makeup look will be uploaded on my Instagram, so make sure to follow me there and see it for yourself. I really hope you guys like it because I really love this look. Okay, so I don't know whether the photos will turn out good or not, but I think I'll pose somewhere like this, and here is my phone. So let's see how this comes out. Okay, so the photos are really turning out quite good here. So let's see. Hi guys, so I had my lunch and I took bath also, and also I'm feeling a lot tired right now. I don't know, I don't feel that enthusiastic anymore. So I don't know, maybe I'm tired or I'm too much bored, so anything. But yeah, I also shot 2 videos for Instagram, and I'm also having a feeling that this vlog is turning out to be a random day in my life vlog rather than a birthday vlog. But the thing is that I can't help this because it's lockdown in West Bengal, and also my friends can't meet and I can't go outside. Even if this wasn't a lockdown, even then I wouldn't have stepped outside. Birthday can wait, and it's okay to not celebrate a year and to celebrate the next year in a much better way. But I don't think that going outside and promoting everything is gonna help us in any way. So yeah, even I know many of you are celebrating birthday like this only, so it's okay to not celebrate it for 1 year in that way which you used to celebrate, and it's okay to wait for the next year because next year is gonna be okay. So yeah, that's the thing. Hi guys, so it's almost 4:30 right now, and I just edited the video and it will be uploaded on Instagram today, so be sure to check it out. I don't know why my hair is looking an absolute mess. I even shampooed it yesterday, but rainy season कुछ नहीं कर सकते, जो भी हो देखेगा भी कौन वैसे भी. Anyways, so I don't know what to do, but I'll watch movie right now, but I don't know what to watch. I won't watch a movie, maybe I'll watch some series on Netflix. Let's see.
Pick up, I'll explain. So you're not afraid
So I'm watching The Society right now, and I have just started. I'm just in episode 1, but I heard many good reviews about it, and I have seen it in many recommendations video. So I thought might as well see it for myself. And anyways, it's about a group of school going boys and girls who goes to a trip, and then when they return they find themselves alone in the town. No one else, no parents, nothing, only the group of friends. So yeah, I was watching it. So I'm all ready for my birthday, and this is how I look. So this is how my outfit looks like, and I have attached a belt because it didn't fit me. And so yeah, let's go and cut the cake. everything is done. I've cut my cake and now I need to change into my normal night suit. My eyes are paining. I need to remove eyeliner and everything. I clicked so many pictures. So it's 9 p.m. now and we cut the cake around I think 8. Then I clicked pictures with my mom, my dad, then me. So everything, and it's all done. So let's change. So guys, this is how I celebrated my birthday and I really enjoyed it, especially the time I spent with my family at night. So anyways, I won't be continuing the vlog because this was the birthday vlog. Guys, I really hope that you all enjoyed this vlog. I don't know that how will it turn out or anything. I really hope it turns out a little interesting at least. So if you like this, please tell me in my comments. I really have no idea about vlogging. I think it's quite difficult. Anyways, I'm too sleepy right now and I'm so tired. Literally my legs are paining and everything. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, and until then, take care and stay happy, and also subscribe to my channel and like this video please, because this is my birthday. Anyways guys, take care and stay happy. Bye.